Yo guys, what's going on? I was meaning to do a first time review impression thing of this, but ended up destroying the GoPro, including the memory card, so I lost every footage I had of it. So I've been flying these props for about a week or so now, but I kinda like them, so I was thinking it was worth giving it a heads up, or what you want to call it. So this is the J37 props by HQ props, also known as the Juicy props. Come in a few different colors. I chose yellow for some reason, don't matter. Been testing them for about a week now and ended up liking them. I've been flying my go-to props lately have been the PB&J ones from Ethics. I feel these are maybe a bit smoother. I'm not in any way expert on this, but they're sharp but smooth. That's the feeling I sit with when trying this. So if you had the chance, I recommend trying them. So yeah, let's get them on and see what we can do.